Hi y'all, it's me. I'm back with a haul video. This time it's some Valentine stuff, of course. I know I said I wasn't going to get a lot, but little bits here and there. So this is Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Five Below, Amazon, Instagram. It's all over the place. So let me just jump in. The first thing I'm going to share with you is from Dollar Tree. I had to pick this tray up. It is so pretty. From here to here, it's probably 12 inches or more. It's quite large, and I just thought it was so beautiful. It's plastic, but still it's so pretty, so I had to grab that. I also picked up some rose petals, and where's my Dollar Tree? Here we go. I picked up this pretty ribbon, some vase filler. Picked up this card. I just thought it was so cute, this little I love you card. So I grabbed that. I picked up this love rhinestone thingy and a pink hand sanitizer holder. My red one broke. And a tablecloth with bows and hearts. And finally, from Dollar Tree is the tutu. This was an adult size tutu, so it's quite large. But I didn't buy it for that. I bought it for the tulle. So I think this is so pretty, and you can cut this up and use it in your project. So you get this top layer with the silver hearts and things, and then there's a second layer, which is a sheer light pink tulle. So you can just chop this up and use them in your crafting. So that was my Dollar Tree stuff. Then from Walmart, not too much. I picked up this little thing. It's for a kid that I give stuff to. I picked up these balloon toppers for cupcakes. I picked up these little tins, these heart tins. They come with the tin and then the plastic cover. Kind of see them there, but not really. I picked up some table scatter stuff. They're all hearts. And lastly, I picked up this. This is so cute, you guys, by the way, if you happen to see it at your Walmart, because I looked at Wilton and they had that 5-section round thing, and that was like $5 and change. And I didn't really like what was in it. And this one, it has arrows, hearts, stars, hearts, and gold balls. And then this section right here has red conversation hearts, which is so cute. But what even is better is the container, because once you're done with all of this, you end up with this plastic container that has divided sections in it, and this little heart area which is divided, and it's on hinges. So this is going to be a super cute container afterward when all the baking elements are out of it. So that's that. So this was $3 and some change. It wasn't very expensive. So I thought that was a great purchase. From Hobby Lobby, I picked up a few items. I got these napkins, which are really pretty. Got these parchment hearts, which they had these at Christmas time, but they were some other design. So they're just thin sheets of parchment paper that's colored. You're supposed to use them on your little mini charcuterie boards or whatever, but I got them for crafting. I picked up these sticker pack from, of course, Hobby Lobby. I think these came from Hobby Lobby. I want to say they did, but they got mixed up and I'm not sure. But they're little lollipop hearts, and I think they're so adorable. You get 16 for $3.99. Let's see what else. I got these heart stickery things, and then this one has a punch-out heart in the middle. So I grabbed a pack of those. I grabbed a pack of these corrugated hearts. I grabbed these felt hearts. And all this stuff was 40% off from Valentine. You know how it goes. I grabbed another pack of the heart buttons. I grabbed this right here, this little sign for my little tier tray. I thought it was so cute. And this one was $3.99 less 40. Super cute. And then I picked up I had got these before I got the one from Walmart, but it's okay. These are really pretty. They're glittery. I don't know. Can you tell? They're glittery. They're so pretty. So I got those for baking. And then I picked up some ribbons, and these are them. Really cute. So that was my Hobby Lobby. And then I went to Target. I was actually looking for some M&Ms that I know they carry, so I went there. I found this little box in the Dollar Tree, the dollar section. It was $3, kind of expensive, but it's cute. It's a little heart container. So cute. So I grabbed that. I picked up a pack of cards from the playing section. I don't know why I didn't look at these. I thought they were $1, but they were $3. I would never have really paid $3. I didn't realize it until later. They just have flowers on the back, and then they're kind of like a scalloped border. They're kind of cute, so I got these for crafting also. I also picked these up, and these were so cute, and they're actually cheaper there than they were at, I thought I saw these somewhere else. I can't remember where, but they were much cheaper at Target. I don't remember how much, $3 and something. You get 20 reusable treat bags. These are made out of those heavy plastic, so you can use them again, kind of thing. And for that price, for 20, I thought it was a great deal. So I picked up that pattern and this pattern. Really cute bags. And then also from Target, the last item for $3, I found this cute little vase, if you will. I'm going to use it for tools and pencils and stuff like that, so grab that for my desk. And then let me move some stuff here so I can kind of show you from Rosette Guru, who is Ebony, that's her name on Instagram, Rosette Guru. She sent me some stuff I ordered, but in there she also sent me a little gift. So were these 2 treat pouches, and then she sent me a bunch of these little key charms as a thank you gift. So thank you, Ebony. And then what I purchased from her was a pack of these hearts. These are a triple heart, and they're all beads, so they're super cute. They have the hole from the top to bottom, which is awesome. So I grabbed that. I grabbed the bows, which again have the hole from top to bottom. And these have a little iridescence to them. These are beautiful, these ones here. These are hearts, and they're glittery, as you can see, and they do have a hole top to bottom, same as all the others. Aren't those beautiful? Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So be sure to check out Ebony if you want to look, go look for her at Instagram. And then I got these from her, which I fell in love with. These little hearts have a scalloped edge and then bows on them. Super cute. So that was from Ebony. So thank you, Ebony, for that. From Five Below, I only went in there for one thing, and I didn't get it because I couldn't find it. So I ended up picking this up. I took this off. I think this was, I don't want to know, it's $5, but it's one of those spinny things. And I got some from Dollar Tree, but the edge is really low, and then they're clear. I wanted something with a taller edge so things wouldn't fall over, so that's why I picked this one up. From Amazon, I picked up this cute little Valentine book, and these are like old-fashioned Valentines. They're punch-outs, so you can actually use them as punch-out, cards. You have the backings on them, so you can fill them in, and there's a whole bunch to choose from. And then they have the envelopes, which you have to fussy cut. You can't punch these out, but there's envelopes, so you can have a place for your cards. But even the backs are decorated so cute. So you get, I think 4 pages of Valentine, and then the envelopes to match, or maybe more than 4 pages of Valentines. And this was like $5. So super cute, and they're old-fashioned. I love them. And last to share with you, I went shopping on the Greetery, which is stamp and die place. Greetery, in case you don't know. And I picked up a couple of stamp sets that I loved, and this one is actually for Christmas. And these are just stamps, and they have a die and stamp set. It's a house or like a shop, and these are intended to be the names that go across the shop, but I just wanted them for other reasons. So super cute. I love these different sentiments, and they had the same thing for Valentine, so I picked that one up too. Super cute. So that's that for this haul. I have some more stuff coming in, but slowly trickling in, an item here, an item there. So I'll be back again with another haul at some point. And until then, thank you for watching and do what makes you happy. Bye for now.